Have you ever heard of a creature that can shoot sticky slime from its mouth to hunt? Meet one of the most unique predators on Earth. The velvet worm, also known as the slime worm. Don't let its soft and velvety appearance fool you. This creature is neither a worm nor an insect. It belongs to its own fascinating group, closely related to tardigrades, the so-called immortal creatures of the microscopic world. When hunting, the velvet worm uses an extraordinary skill. From two slime glands near its mouth, it shoots a sticky white glue that instantly traps and immobilizes its prey. This incredible weapon serves both offensive and defensive purposes. Its favorite meals include spiders, termites, and beetles. But don't think of it as a lazy predator. The velvet worm is a fierce and resourceful warrior in the natural world. You can find these fascinating creatures in humid forests across Australia, New Zealand, Central and South America, Southeast Asia, and even India. They are a vivid reminder of the incredible diversity of nature. What do you think about this strange and unique predator? Share your thoughts and join us as we uncover more mysteries of the natural world. Don't forget to follow for more amazing stories from nature's wonders. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to explore more amazing stories with us.